Rosie the Riveter, also known as Roe Will Monroe. Rose Will Monroe was born in Pulaski County, Kentucky in 1920 and moved to Michigan during World War II. She grew up on a farm west of Willow River, walking 2 miles through the woods to attend class at District 26. When she graduated from 8th grade, Rose boarded in Willow River and started attending the high school. On the cusp of beginning her 10th grade year, Rose left her formal education. May 25th, 93-year-old Rose Mary Peterson will receive her high school diploma at Willow River's graduation. "I've always been sorry I didn't finish school," Rose said in an interview over the phone. "This is the greatest thing that's happened to me in my 93 years." She had a family and some friends, but she was mainly focused on doing things she was told she couldn't. She believed women could do the things that men can't do.
Rose Will Monroe was a cultural icon of World War II, representing the women who worked in factories and shipyards during World War II, many whom produced munitions and war supplies. These women sometimes took entirely new jobs, replacing the male workers who joined the military. Rose was the patriotic image of a working woman, created to encourage women to take up typical manual jobs such as riveting. Riveting was actually a high-skill occupation and was suggested that the most typical jobs for women were low-skilled, such as welding. The munitions industry also heavily recruited women workers, as illustrated by the U.S. government's Rosie the Riveter propaganda campaign. While women during World War II worked in a variety of positions previously closed to them, the aviation industry saw the greatest increase in female workers. These women sometimes took entirely new jobs, replacing the male workers who joined the military. Rose paved the way of women doing difficult jobs. Women started working where they wanted to. People were confused, but then they were inspired. Women being allowed to work where they wanted to work. She was involved in inspiring women that they can accomplish things that men can do, and they can work where they want to. At this time, women did specific jobs and men did most jobs. While women during World War II worked in a variety of positions previously closed to them, the aviation industry saw the greatest female increase in workers, all thanks to Rosie the Riveter.